This is Alice, the next step in camera design, built by creators for creators. Alice uses artificial intelligence to capture amazing 4K footage straight out of camera, then lets you share it with your followers instantly. The experience of a phone, the capability of a high-end mirrorless camera, this is the future of photography. But let's start at the beginning. There's never been a better time to be a creator. It's easier than ever to share your work with millions of people around the world. New platforms have unlocked professional creativity, but shooting and editing the content itself hasn't really changed. We made Alice because we were frustrated by having to choose between usability and control. The things you can do with smartphones are incredible, but for professionals, this little sensor will just never be enough. To compensate for this, phones have amazing AI-enabled computational photography backing them. But nothing really replaces the real thing, light. Professional cameras are different. They let in all this light through these incredible lenses, but they're hard to set up, hard to use, and really, really expensive. If you get the shot wrong, the moment's gone. Phones aren't good enough to compete on a professional level. But pro cameras lock people out of the industry and don't take advantage of any of the things that make your phone amazing. Cameras are stuck in the past, so we thought, what if you could have both? That's why we made Alice. Alice brings together the flexibility of pro equipment with the intuitiveness and connectivity of your phone. Our solid aluminium frame attaches to most modern smartphones and holds micro four thirds lenses, giving you access to a world of professional quality, control and choice. We use a 10.7 megapixel sensor like the ones found in professional cameras such as the Panasonic GH5S and the Blackmagic Pocket. The sensor's large pixels uses a quad Bayer structure to provide excellent low light performance and dynamic range while shooting photos or videos in 4K. Alice's secret is the Edge TPU chip. This is Google's flagship neural network processing unit, which lets us use deep learning to bring intuitive photography to a different level. Alice performs trillions of calculations each second, learning from millions of images to give you the experience of countless professional photographers. Our patent-pending technology allows you to automatically adjust and improve focusing, exposure, color, nighttime shots, object tracking, stabilization, scene recognition, everything to give you the best shot straight out of camera, so you can focus on composition. Our mission when making Alice was to make accessing that power easy, automatically suggesting the best profile for your image, then letting you fine-tune it with our intuitive pro settings, so you can control your shots like never before, fast. Once you've found a style you like, you can save it, because of course you can. When you've taken a photo, you can edit it instantly, share it instantly, live stream instantly, because of course you can. Alice pairs seamlessly with your phone, but isn't reliant on it. Our photography-dedicated AI chip lets you create stunning content from anywhere. When they are connected, Alice lets you edit and share your work natively, or export it to whatever apps you use in your current workflow. Our team is made up of photographers, content creators, and computational engineers who are done choosing between power, price, and user experience. Last year, we began developing our end-to-end deep learning pipeline for Alice. Now, we're backed by the UK government's innovation agency, and we're working with award-winning ex-Dyson product designers and one of the top electronic manufacturers in the UK to make the solution we wanted all our lives. Alice lets you shoot, edit, and share like never before, easily. We believe that the world changes when people are empowered to create and work together, which is why we will always be open source. So anyone's free to create mods and make improvements. We can't wait to see what you're going to make. That's why we're crowdfunding. This is a camera made by creators for creators. It lives and evolves through you. We don't just want you to buy Alice. We want you to help us shape the future of content creation.